What's up guys, I'm Zane and today I'm going to show you how to pay personal tax in Canada using online banking. So now first thing you should do is to simply open your account, then you should scroll down till you find add pay, and after that here you can see pay name. Now type inside it CRA and after that click on search. And now if you want to pay for the previous years, you will select tax only. If you want to pay for the current year, you will click on the next option. So you should scroll down and click on continue. Then after that it will show you this pay information page right here, and now you have to enter your account number. It doesn't have to be your own account number. You can pay for your relative or for your mother or something. After that you can click on continue, then click on confirm. Now it will show you this page. Now you have to go to pay bills and transfer funds. Then from this bar right here you should select CRA, then scroll down and put the amount that you want, then click on next and pay. And that is it. I hope this video is useful to you all. Please don't forget to support us with like, subscribe, comment, share, and see you in a new video.